In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a digital signature in Adobe Acrobat Reader. We'll walk through two reliable ways to sign a PDF. A quick standard electronic signature using fill and sign, and a secure, certificate-based digital signature using the Certificates tool. Choose the method that fits your needs. If you just need to add a visual signature for everyday documents, the first method is perfect. If you need a signature that can be cryptographically verified, go with the certificate-based option. Let's start with the standard electronic signature. Open your PDF and select Fill and Sign from the right-hand panel or from the Tools menu. At the top, click Sign Yourself, then choose Add Signature. You'll see three options. Type lets you type your name and pick a cursive style that looks clean and readable. Draw lets you use your mouse or a touchscreen to hand-draw your signature. Take a moment to create a smooth, legible version. Image lets you upload a photo of your handwritten signature. Make sure it's high contrast on a plain background so it looks professional. When you are happy, click Apply. Click on the page where you want the signature to appear. Then drag the corners to resize it so it fits neatly in the signature area. Finally, save the file to keep your signature in place. This method is fast and widely accepted for routine approvals and acknowledgements. For a certificate-based digital signature, which provides stronger verification through a digital ID, open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Reader and go to All Tools or the Tools tab. Then select Use a Certificate. If you don't already have a digital ID, create one first. Go to Menu or Edit menu, then Preferences, and choose Signatures. Under Identities and Trusted Certificates, click More. On the left, select Digital IDs. Then click the Add ID icon. Choose a new digital ID I want to create now, and follow the prompts to enter your details. Set a secure password for your ID and click Finish. Keep this password safe as you'll need it every time you sign. Back in your document, click Digitally Sign from the top toolbar. Click and drag to draw a signature box where your signature should appear. Select your ID, enter your password, and click Sign. You'll be prompted to save the document to finalize the signature. Once saved, your signature is embedded, and the document's integrity can be verified by recipients, which is especially useful for formal agreements and compliance needs. That's it. Thanks for watching.